Hi, this is Lee Marvin Law Office, here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I do immigration law and business advising and criminal law. Today I want to talk about a recent change to an immigration policy or an upcoming proposal for a change relating to asylum. On April 29th of this year, the President sent out a memorandum called Additional Measures to Enhance Border Security and Restore Integrity to Our Immigration System. This proposal basically related to the problems that was occurring at the border with all the potential asylum claim individuals. The proposal's three different things. One, the President is proposing to change the fee structure for asylum. There's never been the requirement for anyone to submit a filing fee. That is proposed to change. The logic with the government is that a lot of people are coming through seeking asylum for a way to get in here to be able to basically work. So economic reasons rather than the reasons that asylum was originally intended, which was people running from persecution. So the thought is charging a fee would weed out people that otherwise would just be coming here for work purposes. The second, the proposal is to limit the types of relief that asylum seekers can obtain, specifically related to drug cartels, people who are running basically from all the gangs in Central America. It is a huge problem for those countries, which is the prime motivation for people coming to the United States is to escape that type of trouble. So the proposal is to remove that as a possibility for anyone seeking asylum. That's a significant change to asylum, because the government has never really chosen what sorts of things can or cannot qualify for asylum. Assuming you can meet all the requirements for asylum, the reason can't be necessarily excluded. So this is a significant change to the process. The other change in the type of thing that you can seek are juveniles that normally would come through seeking for asylum or special immigrant juvenile status. They would no longer be eligible for asylum, just eligible for the special immigrant juvenile status, okay? The third, bars to individuals who have entered unlawfully. So basically people who come into the United States without going through a designated port of entry. If people go to those spots that are not designated by the government, they will not be eligible for any work authorization until their process is resolved and actually they receive an approval. What this means is that people who normally would have the right to work 6 to 9 months after they enter and file an asylum claim would not get any right to work until they actually obtain an approved asylum claim, okay? Major changes. They're just proposals at this point in time. The President wanted within 90 days for basically Department of Homeland Security and the Attorney General to come up with specific details about how that is going to be spelled out into the law. So stand by for these updates as they come. Please check the links that we have here for our social media. Contact the office, contact our social media for updates in the future. Once again, thank you. Have a good day.